Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audi and today's video is all about a dashcam install on a brand new Audi Q8. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So this customer was after securing the vehicle not only while driving but also while the vehicle is parked. That's exactly why we've added on the Thinkware U1000 front and rear dash camera solution that also protects the vehicle using the I-Volt battery. We're going to be walking you through everything in today's video. So now from a finished perspective, what does the camera actually look like? From passenger seat, it's incredibly discreet. It blends into the vehicle so seamlessly. From driver's seat, it's practically invisible. The mirror covers most of the dash cam, but also in terms of the cable run, everything is incredibly discreet. You've got cable run that basically follows up alongside the headline and then down, all directly into the fuse box. But other thing is the actual quality of the camera itself. So it's got 4K image quality lens on the front camera. You've got two cables going in, one for the rear camera, which we'll talk about later, and then you've got power going in as well from the I-Volt battery. In terms of the lens, it's a 4K image quality, amazing wide angle lens, protecting the vehicle with great coverage, covering a wide span across the front of the vehicle. Another really awesome thing is the connectivity to this. You've got an SD card that comes in the system, but also we've got all our access and setting changes all live directly through the Thinkware Cloud application. So to give that great coverage, we've actually added on the rear camera as well. This links into the front one, but what we've actually got is the camera that's located right in the center pretty much. Plus, obviously the cable run is again incredibly discreet. You see a very, very small amount of cable going to the camera. It then flows directly into here alongside manufacturer cable runs through factory grommet and then all the way to the front of the vehicle. Another thing that I want to note to you guys is vehicle from factory comes with factory tint. So the glass is tinted, which means it's darker, but the quality of the actual rear camera on the Thinkware range is so incredible that it sees right through that and you can still get a crystal clear image, but obviously giving you that rear protection there. In terms of how the system is actually powered, this vehicle is actually now protected when the vehicle is parked, and that's where adding on the Thinkware I-Volt battery is so essential. But again, completely hidden away, out of sight, out of mind. It's hidden away underneath this quarter panel here, and what this means is actually that if you drive for around about 45 minutes, you get around about 16 hours on the other side of protection when the vehicle is parked. We set this all up, motion detection, and now it's time to hand over the vehicle to the customer. We're all wrapped up here on today's video. Hopefully you guys at home have enjoyed it, learned a little bit more about the dash camera solution on the Audi Q8. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. But also, if you think this video would help friends or family, make sure you share it with them. But also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel yourself. Look forward to seeing you all soon.